Kamekhlea Pradesh Congress Committee kalapan kre penlech ka election house nam Ajar Arpulai dakaba President Bathama Jongka uba Vincent H Pala sedang bandai rung syabaro underfotoli ki blok Jongka Congress dan di syaki underfotoli ki konsensi ki badan pak ka jalan Kamekhlea ya kani uba Pala ulaong haka jelang ka Plalong haka khatpratrik unai luar Ajar Arpuai kasngi ke baga ke MPC kelap yang sobha ya ko President Bathama yang ke Kongres hapo Kamekhlea. Ba palau laong ba hapo arbanai un pendap bandai sabaro underfoti ki blok. Nakamta banyak kendo ba kumjur ba pentlan ya keseng hakajing Kamekhlea ya ke election Ajar Arpulai.
My main job ahead is how to unite the party, number one, and number two, how to do a big enrollment in the party so that every nook and corner of the village of the state will know about the Congress. So that is a big task ahead of us. We need to train our people. We need to, give them the sentiments. We need to tell them that we have hopes. The people of Meghalaya have hopes in the Congress. And I think only if we work together, then people will also trust us. First, we have to trust amongst ourselves, unite amongst ourselves, then only people will trust us. That is my main target. And I'm sure, I'm confident with the blessing of God and with all of you, with your blessings, I can do that. That is the main task ahead. Definitely, I have to have a priority. Normally, my state is my priority. And as an opposition, I don't have much work in Delhi also. I may miss a few meetings or less important meetings. I may miss a few meetings. But I will concentrate in the state more than in Delhi. So I have to know my priority and work out in such a way my Delhi work will not be hampered and my state work will not be hampered. But I'm confident, you see, we work as a team, I'm not alone. We have the district level, the block level and the polling stations level and the team in the party, an executive committee, different committees. I think that should not be a problem. I have to only work harder than usual. I think that should not be a problem.
Halor ke jeng bomwan jong Dr. Mukul Sangma sekadiki arteli ke jelang ke bala pelong da kaseng Kongres kata haka khat ndru tarik bar ka khat patrik unai luar Ajar Arpuai uba pala ula pensyai manakal yang jong un simlang ya ka jeng ya trailang jong Dr. Mukul mod unum le kini kamru klem ka jeng ya kren lan de ka jeng penbailang mod laban kedo hangni ba Dr. Mukul ubolong nongelam jong ka Kongres Legislative Party ula pep seki arteli ke jelang ke baka Kongres kala penlong hakabala priang sobha yaki MLA barim bat kumjuru yaki katukan dikiri pakmat kibala punya soak bakaseng yakani kejelang priang sobha ya ubak pala kamu presiden jak MPCC la pelong hak conventional center hakabala donlang ru general secretary jong AICC bapak ya Kamekhlea bat kumjuru ki MLA ki babun jak kaseng Kongres ki MDC ki nongkit kam jong kaseng Kongres bat ki ki khot ki bakmat jong kani ke parti kaba menta nadu bawan ubak pala kelasang kiim biang bat kelasang pan pengklan biang nakamata pan pengkre ya kene election hakasnam Ajar Arpulai.
He doesn't come here today. It may be, I said, it may be. I want to be transparent in my journey. I don't want to hide the truth. I want to be transparent in my journey because I know the people of Meghalaya is not full. Even I try to hide here, I try to hide there. That's why I think it's my job. I'll go and meet him. I'll take the guidance of the general secretaries and the in charge. I'll take the guidance of Dr. Celestine Longdo and many others. I'll definitely meet him. I've just joined today. Actually, as soon as my appointment was announced, I flew all the way from Delhi to Shillong. Me and along with Dr. Bom, I wanted to meet him, but it was an assembly session, so he cannot. At the same time, me also, as my children are studying outside, I need to get my visa done, interview done, fingerprint done, so I went back to Delhi. Then after that I came back here, I tried to meet him again, assembly sessions was there, I could not meet him, but I need also to see all the preparations, people coming all over the state should come here, so we were busy. So definitely it's my job, I'll try to meet him. He used to be a dear friend of mine, a senior leader. It may not be against me, it may be against him also, it may be against anybody also. So definitely we'll see. It's too early to say, but his absence today, I think I should be transparent to everybody. Maybe then it's my job, I'll do.
But
I always consider him as the boss in the party and as a friend.